Hi, today we're reviewing one of the most popular items in Amazon's health and beauty department, and I'm in the shower. It's a little awkward. Here it is. It is a MAXSOFT Scalp Massager, and I have owned this for about a year. I really like it. Helps me get into some of the itchy spots on my head and make them less itchy. So, and I have pretty thick hair. It's wavy, and it's sometimes hard to really get the shampoo scrubbed in the back. I just take a little shampoo. I kind of start it with my hands, and then I take the massager and I get in there and get it scrubbed out all over. You can see on the back here, I have pretty thick hair, but I can feel it all the way down to my scalp. It gets the suds going. And overall, I've been very pleased with this, and I think it helps me scrub my head better every day in the shower. So any product that I use every day, I'm happy with. All right, there it is. These are inexpensive. You can get this one for about $7. There are other options out there as well. The bristles are soft, but not too soft. So it's a good mix between what you want and not scraping all the skin off your head. So, thanks.